do on a rainy day in Gran Canaria. So I've just had a really nice experience. Got locked in the toilet. Managed to phone reception, and our lovely lady came and helped me out to get out. So, what to do on a cloudy day in Gran Canaria? We are heading to Las Palmas, which is the capital of the island, and we are heading towards the aquarium. So we'll do some more filming up there when we get up there. So it's just something else that you can do if the weather's not too great. So we're going to take a drive up there, a couple of friends in Pedalingus, and then take a drive north. We have been told that the weather is little bit better up there as well. So we'll see you later.
Well, we've made it halfway through the aquarium. We're in a restaurant and bar. Um, it is very busy here today, even though there's not a lot of people in the restaurant. Still having to queue to get some food, and we are sitting right in front of the aquarium where you can see all the sharks and stuff. So this is a view while we're having some lunch. Some stingrays, some sharks, and then loads of other fish in there. And the restaurant's quite big, quite a lot of tables, but they are having to queue quite a bit.
This is one of two, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's just more of a snack bar. This is more of a kind of, well, they call it a restaurant, but people are eating some food, some
Trying to
lunch here.
figure out where Harry Ramsden's is. With all-
with all the fish. You see the stingray just coming around now. It's huge. Absolutely huge. Oh, there's a turtle in there as well. I never saw that earlier. There you go.